Welcome to this beginner's guide on how to use Bitget on mobile. If you are here, chances are you're ready to start your cryptocurrency trading journey, or you might already be curious about how Bitget can help you enhance your trading experience. In this video, we'll walk you through everything from setting up your account to mastering all the features that Bitget offers. Whether you are a total beginner or someone with a bit of experience, this guide will ensure you are fully equipped to trade with confidence. So let's get started. Bitget is a well-known cryptocurrency exchange platform that is designed with both beginners and seasoned traders in mind. What sets Bitget apart from other exchanges is its incredibly user-friendly mobile application. When you first launch the app, you'll notice how intuitive the layout is, making it easier for users to navigate through various features without feeling overwhelmed. Whether you want to buy or sell, trade crypto derivatives, or even follow the trades of a professional traders through copy trading, Bitget offers all these tools right in the palm of your hand. So these are the key features of the app, which includes the spot trading, features trading, copy trading, and staking. No matter which feature you choose, Bitget mobile's app ensures all your transactions are secure, and its clean design makes it easy to keep track of your portfolio and manage your trades on the go. Now that you've got an idea of what Bitget is or what it is all about, let's move on to setting up your account and securing it so you can start trading without any worries. Before you start trading, the first thing you'll need to do is to create an account on the mobile application. The process is quick and straightforward, but it's important to take a few steps to ensure your account is secure, especially when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Let me walk you through the process so you know exactly what to do. First is to download the application. Open your Play Store or your App Store and search for Bitget in this search bar, then tap the download or install button. And within seconds, you'll have the app ready on your phone. Now open the application. Since we have to sign up, once the app is installed, open it up and click on this sign up. You can sign up using your email address or using your phone number. But for most users, email is the fastest and most convenient option. Next is the creation of your password. You'll need to create a strong, unique password for your account. This is the first line of defense in protecting your account. Avoid using common passwords or anything easily guessed. Bitget requires that your password is a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Next is the referral code, which is optional. If you were referred by someone, you can enter their referral code at this point. Referral codes might offer you benefits like reduced fees or bonuses when you start trading. And for the last part of your account creation is the verification. Once your registration details are filled in, you'll need to verify your account. Bitget will send a verification code to your email or phone number. Enter that code in the app to confirm your details and finalize the registration. After signing up, it's crucial to secure your account to protect your funds and personal information. And here's how you can add additional layers of security on your mobile app. First is the enabling of two-factor authentication. In the account settings, you'll see an option to enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra level of protection to your account with 2FA enabled. Every time you log in or make a transaction, you'll be required to enter a verification code sent to your mobile device. Also, there's another option, which is the anti-phishing code. In the app, you can also set up an anti-phishing code. This code is a custom code that will appear in all official emails from Bitget, ensuring that any communication you receive is legitimate. Now that your account is secure, let's dive into how you can start trading on Bitget using the mobile app to its full potential. With your account set up and secured, it's time to start trading. Don't worry, since Bitget's mobile app makes it easy to get started. Whether you are new to crypto or have an experience, let's walk through the basics of spot trading and futures trading so you can begin making trades confidently. Spot trading. This is the easiest way to start buying and selling cryptocurrencies, as it lets you purchase at the current market price. Now navigate to the application and find the spot trading. Once you are in the app, tap on the trade tab at the bottom of the screen and then select spot. In the spot trading section, you'll see different trading pairs listed. These are the cryptocurrencies that you can trade against each other. For example, if you want to trade Bitcoin for a USDT or US dollar tether, select BTC to USDT pair. There are three primary order types, which are the market, limit, and stop limit. As a beginner, I recommend using market orders, which will automatically execute your trade at the best available price. Once you've chosen the pair and order type, enter how much you want to trade. App will show you the total cost based on the current market price. When you're ready, you can now tap the buy or sell to confirm your transaction. Next is the futures trading. Futures trading lets you speculate on the price movements of cryptocurrencies without actually owning the coins. This allows you to profit from both rising and falling markets. However, it is more advanced, so it's important to start small. Tap on the features from the bottom menu to access this section. Here you will see various perpetual contracts like the BTC USDT or AD USDT. Just the one that you are interested in. One of the most unique features of futures trading is the ability to use leverage, which allows you to trade with borrowed funds. Be carefully here, since as high leverage increases both potential profits and losses. So start with a lower leverage ratio to minimize the risk. Choose whether you are betting on the price rising, which is the long, or the falling, which is the short. After entering your trade size and setting your leverage, tap the confirm button to execute the trade. Well, Bitget's mobile app also provides useful charts and analytic tools that can help you make better trading decisions. You zoom in and out of the charts, view historical data, and monitor the market trends, all from your mobile device. Well, this is my last tip for you. While copy trading can be a great way to get started, it is essential to remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. Always research the trader's history, review their strategy, and avoid investing all of your funds in one person. Diversify your copy trading portfolio and regularly check your trades to ensure everything is going according to plan. For added safety, always enable security features like the 2FA and never share sensitive information with anyone. And that's it for your comprehensive guide to using Bitget on mobile. We have covered everything from setting up your account to trading and copy trading and also future trading. I hope you now feel confident navigating the Bitget app and using its features. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on cryptocurrency trading. Have questions or tips of your own? Feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Again, thanks for watching and happy trading.